besties! Welcome to my Royal Fashion Academy. I am Princess Valkyrie, and today we have a spectacular Disney fashion challenge. We are going to draw one magical gown dress model, but my magic colors will transform it into 5 different designs to dress 5 beautiful princesses: Elsa, Rapunzel, Ariel, Cinderella, and Sleeping Beauty. Wow! Which Disney princess is your absolute favorite? Let's start sketching to reveal the magic.
Begins. Grab your magic and select the
Drawing. Let's sketch our master dress design. We start with the elegant royal bodice. Then we draw long, glamorous gloves. Now, look at this huge, fluffy ball gown skirt. It's so big and beautiful. Let's place cute stars all around the bottom edge. Can you count the stars with me on the screen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect! Our design is ready for the magic rainbow. Coloring. Blue. First, a soft sky blue for Cinderella. Look at how the pink stars pop. Cream. Do you love blue? Lilac. White. Sparkle. Our princess dress is fully colored, but it needs a giant wave of royal glitter to bring the real dolls to life. Help me make the spell, girls. Rub your hands together, count to 3, and blow as much pixie dust as you can to the screen. 1, 2, 3, blows. Wow, look at all those shiny white snowflakes and star glitters sparkling everywhere. Transformation.
Let's unlock the royal wardrobe. 1, 2, 3. Glim! Oh my goodness! Look at them! The real princess dolls are here. Elsa with her platinum blonde braid. Look at Rapunzel with her extra long hair and purple gown. Cinderella in her soft blue dress. And Aurora glowing in yellow. Ariel with her bright red hair and green gown. Their star-studded satin skirts look absolutely spectacular. Let's start they are true fashion queens. The magic.
Our magic dress-up is a wonderful success. Besties, now I need your important fashion vote. Which princess doll had the most beautiful gown today? And don't leave our magic castle yet. Click on the next video right now to explore more sparkly stories. See you there. Bye-bye.